I do have a lot of positive feedback. I made a lot of connections within the chat room. I found that the on-demand feature was very, very helpful. However, the platform itself and the virtual rooms and lobbies were a bit much. It was hard to keep up with. A lot of the technology and features in some rooms I didn't have clearance for, I don't think. Um, Also, it was a lot of content and a lot of information to keep up with. And it was actually a little frustrating during this pandemic. I know I had a lot going on, and I'm more than sure other people had a lot going on. Although the efforts were absolutely awesome, I do appreciate the virtual conference, and I hope that this feedback helps for future conferences.
This was my first virtual session, and the experience was horrible and confusing. I did not learn anything. I was not able to make any connections. The only features that I was able to use was the chat room, and that's how I figured out that I wasn't the only one that didn't have access to the on-demand and the satellite videos, and the conferences that I was interested in. It wasn't available to me, and then that time zone thing was very confusing as well. And the overall experience attending this conference in a pandemic was, it was very disheartening and confusing, and being on your own and not having a guide made it even worse. So, and then the time zone thing made it even more confusing. It was a very confusing experience.